आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे फॉर्म्स ऑफ मार्केट, बाजार के रूप या स्वरूप। व्हाट इज मीनिंग ऑफ मार्केट? Ordinarily, the term market refers to a place where goods are purchased and sold, such as super bazaar, Connaught Place, चांदनी चौक, उर्दू बाजार, and Nai Sarak in Delhi. Market should not be restricted to a specific place. We know that certain commodities have national and even international market. Full stop. The term market should not ignore the demand and supply of the commodities. We normally use the sentences like market of scooters, is very dull these days. The market of air conditioned cars is very limited in India. In this way, market may be defined as an arrangement of establishing effective relationship between buyers and sellers of the commodities. Paragraph change. Important features of market. Dash. Market in economics must satisfy the following characteristics. First, commodity to be bought and sold. Second, buyers and sellers of the commodity. Third, area, in which buyers and sellers live. And fifth, close contact between buyers and sellers. Paragraph change. In this way, the term market includes the entire area where buyers and sellers contact each other to purchase and sell commodities at certain price. Full stop. नीचे लिखे basis for classifying various forms of markets. Various forms of markets. Classification of market. Various form of market can be classified on the following basis. First, on the basis of competition. A, perfect competition market. B, monopoly. C, imperfect competition market. रोमन में लिखिए 1, मोनोपोलिस्टिक कंपटीशन मार्केट, मोनोपोलिस्टिक कंपटीशन मार्केट। 2 ओलिगोपोली, ओलिगोपोली अल्पाधिकार, ओलिगोपोली। 3 डुओपोली, नंबर 2 ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ एरिया, ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ कंपटीशन हो गया। सेकंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ एरिया, ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ एरिया। Sit. On the basis of area, A. Local market, B. Provisional market, C. National market, D. International market। थ्री on the basis of time element, on the basis of time element, A. Very short period market, B. Retail market, C. Long period market, D. Very long period market। Point number 4 on the basis of legality, on the basis of legality, A. Open market, B. Black market। Point 5 on the basis of quantity of the commodity, on the basis of quantity of the commodity, A. Wholesale market, B. Retail market। Point 6 on the basis of commodities and services, on the basis of commodities and services, A. Commodity market, B. Factor market। ये था फॉर्म्स ऑफ मार्केट, जिसके बारे में हम लोगों ने अभी डिस्कस किया। आपको अगर यह वीडियो पसंद आए तो सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें। थैंक यू।